All right, here we have the AQQA Aquarium power-driven biochemical sponge filter. Let's pop this out of the box and take a look. This, of course, is a filter for your fish tank. Pull everything out here. All right, so we have the hose here. This is going to sit in here. Like so. Rubber suctions here. This one on here. All right, so to set this up, you're going to take off the filter, the sponge. You're going to remove the top of this container. You're going to remove the spare sponge in there. Set that aside. Then you're going to take the ceramic pearls that come in this package, and you're going to divide them between this side and this side evenly. And then you're going to put this back together like so and put that back on. All right, here we have the filter set up in our little test container here. You can see that we have the two filters on either side. The top portion is adjustable. As you can see, you can lower that or raise it up. You can set that accordingly. There you have it.